There we go. I'll go to the other side. Alright. Here we go. Nice work. Oh, what? Good eye. Well. What I'm thinking is we go up here. See? I mean, the thing is though, it's raining that way. And it's not raining that way. So maybe we just go that way. Those are big raindrops. You can tell when they start to sting as they hit you. And the front of my jacket is now completely soaked. Through my jacket, through my shirt. And it's just sticking to my chest. I got 1% battery on my phone. Completely soaked. Look, there's water coming out of my sleeves. Oh, you want to see something? You want to see something? Wow, look at that road. So curvy. Look at that. It's donut time, everybody. Oh, he's saying look out for my head, because it's very, I'm standing, this is me.
Choco pie.
Oh, choco pie, okay, nice. What's your favorite? What's good?
Sukanya apa? Jajanan favorit kamu apa?
Apa kau minta apa?
Yang suka apa?
Itu dah yang kayak
Maybe chocolate pillows. What's this one? That's what I want to know.
Ini enak pagi-pagi.
So this one is like from, I don't know, they mix it with a brown sugar.
Okay.
So it's like donuts, but
It's like donuts?
yeah, but
Say no more. One more fresh river left.